guys, I'm going to teach you how to use the Boosted app to create a very beautiful advert video for your brand. And how do you do that? Go on Play Store, on Apple Store, and download the Boosted app. This is the Boosted app. I'm going to click into it right now. So here you are going to see different templates of videos you can create. You can decide to create from scratch videos for yourself, or you can decide to pick from the favorites from the app, which are these, and usually they are paid. You have to pay for them. Okay, you can also pick seasonal if it's for holiday or whatever. It has different usage. You can decide to pick for real estate and questions, quotes, hashtags, and customer reviews. I love this customer reviews. So let's go to free for us so we don't give ourselves a lot of stress. So I like this. This is a new one. I'm going to pick this. So let's go right into it. You can choose any format you want. You can choose the 1:1, you can choose 16:9, you can use 9:16. So let's pick the ratio 1.1 here. So I'm going to change the videos here. I have a long video I want to use, but I'm going to be splitting them into clips so that I have one time lapse. So this is what I'm going to do. So what you want to do is click on the first one. We have 3. So I'm going to click on replace, click on plus, then I want to pick this video here that I've done, and it says use video in all scenes. Yes, I can use, because I want to use this video. Is 44 seconds long. So let me pick this video for everything. So it has put everything there. So what I'm going to do now is I want to trim and fit into where I want each clip to show. So trim and fit, I'm going to come here. Yes, then click OK. So let me adjust it. I want this to show. Okay, then let's move to the second one, replace. Okay, now I'm not going to replace. I'm going to go back to trim and fit. Then let me pick this side. Okay, so I'm going to pick the next one to the last one, trim and fit, and move it to the last. Yes, I like this. So click OK. Then let us adjust the text. So I don't want it to be okay. Who better to share your dreams with? Who better to share your dreams with? I'm going to click on here, edit, to share not your dreams, your style with. Okay, I like this. If I want to change this who better to, I'm going to just click on edit, and I can change the font, use whatever I like here, but I like this font, so I'll leave it like that. I can change the size, I can change the alignment, I can add drop shadow and what have you. Then I go to the next one, than the person you dream about. Good, I still like that. Okay, edit the Happy Valentine's Day. I don't want Happy Valentine's Day. I want to say get wear Ankara okay, get cut 12 comfortables. Okay, edit with your lover. Okay, wear cut 12 comfortable with your lover. Okay, I'm going to add a logo to this. I'm going to select a logo. I can resize the logo. So I click here, size, and this cut 12. I want to edit. We have cut 12 there already, so let's remove it. Where couple outfit, African, wear African prints with your lover. Okay, so let's try that again then. So let me shift it off the guy's head. Good, it's better this way. Better this way. Very good. And you can use this as a business advert. You can use it to run Facebook adverts, you can use it to run Instagram adverts, and you are going to get sales. It looks very professional and stunning. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so that you can get more videos like this that can help you as a small business owner.